back to the channel. This is Revolver Ocelot, and today I'm going to show you how to get the best performance out of Shure SM7B using Vocaster 2. So let's start, my friends. First of all, I'm going to go to control panel, and here I'll go to hardware and sound, and then sound. So my friends, under recording I will select Vocaster USB audio, and in the levels I'll make sure that it is up to 100, but over here the channel should be 124-bit 48,000 studio quality, and press apply and then OK, my friends. The next step I am going to do, my friends, is install both Vocaster Hub and the other driver on the Focusrite website. And here, my friends, you see the sample rate Vocaster 2 device. So I am going to put sample of rate of 48,000 and buffer size of 128. So let's see, my friends. The third step is I'm going to make sure that the gain mic level is up to maximum. Either using this knob till the end, and or this clicking over here till the end, or maybe using the knob physically, my friends. So now let's test it out, my friends, using Audacity, our settings. My friends, in Audacity audio setup, I have chosen MME as host, playback device as speaker, high definition audio, and recording device as video, call L+R to Focusrite. And also over here, recording channels mono recording channel. Let's test it out, my friends. Test. 1 2 3 test. I'm going to hear myself. Test. 1 2 3 test. So my friends, the audio seems to be perfectly fine. However, there is a lot of hiss in the audio, my friends. If you can see over here, let me play this part again. Test. So what I'm going to go do is, the last step is just go to enhance, go to auto gain, the auto gain has put the microphone level over here. Now let's go back and see if it has improved or not, and then we are going to do some benchmarking as well, my friends. Test. Some benchmarking of this audio sample. Test. So my friends, I'm going to select this all, go to tools, wait. I have forgotten, my friends, which analyze plugin manager, find measure RMS. I have forgotten that tool, my friends. I'm sorry about that, but I have completely forgotten about that tool, my friends, that you check it out, which through which you do ADX analysis, as this is a new updated Audacity. So maybe I'll do this in the next video. Thanks for watching, my friends. If you have any additional thoughts you want to add, please let me know in the comment section below. Take care.